Let me ask you something, and please answer honestly, at least to yourself. When your salary gets credited, how long does the happiness last? 5 seconds? 10 seconds? Then your mind starts calculating. Rent, bills, EMIs, groceries, fuel, subscriptions, family responsibilities. And suddenly, that salary doesn't feel like freedom. It feels like survival. If this feels familiar, listen carefully, because today's video is not about getting rich. It's about understanding why hard-working people still feel financially trapped. This is not motivation. This is reality. From childhood, we were taught one single formula. Study hard, get a good job, earn well, life will be settled. But nobody ever told us the full truth. A good income does not guarantee a good financial life. That's why you see doctors stressed, engineers anxious, IT professionals living paycheck to paycheck. They didn't fail in life. They followed an incomplete education. Schools taught us how to earn money, but nobody taught us how money behaves. Income is about skill. Wealth is about behavior. And behavior was never part of the syllabus. We like to believe we are logical with money, but the truth is, money decisions are emotional decisions. We don't spend because we need. We spend because someone else has it. Society expects it. We don't want to feel left behind. A bigger phone, a better bike, a larger house, a lifestyle upgrade. Not because we planned it, but because we felt pressure. That's why two people with the same salary live completely different financial lives. One feels calm, one feels stressed. Same income, different relationship with money. There is a silent enemy that doesn't attack suddenly. It waits. New job, new phone, promotion, bigger house, bonus, vacation, salary hike, EMI. This is lifestyle inflation. It feels normal, it feels deserved, but it slowly steals your future. You don't feel poor immediately, you feel stuck after years. You earn more, but your freedom doesn't increase. That's when people say, I don't know where my money goes. It goes into expectations you never questioned. Saving money feels hard, spending feels easy, because saving has no instant reward. Your brain loves today, it ignores tomorrow. That's why people say, I'll save from next month. But next month becomes next year, and next year becomes regret. Here's the truth. You don't save after life becomes easy. You save so that life doesn't become hard. Saving is not about sacrifice. It's about protecting your future self. Debt doesn't just take money. It takes peace. Every EMI is a future decision already made for you. Debt limits your courage, your risk-taking, your career choices. You stay in jobs you hate. You avoid chances you deserve because fear becomes your boss. The real cost of debt is not interest. The real cost is mental weight you get used to carrying. Here is a reality nobody likes to face. Most people are just one medical emergency, one job loss, one family crisis away from financial collapse. An emergency fund is not luxury money. It is dignity money. It gives you time. It gives you options. It gives you self-respect. Without it, every problem becomes panic. Keeping money idle is not safe anymore. Inflation quietly eats your savings. If your money is not growing, it is losing value, even if the number stays same. Investing is not gambling. Not investing is the real risk. The goal is not to become rich fast. The goal is to not struggle later. Money can be earned again. Time cannot. The earlier you understand money, the less pressure you face later. Late starters don't fail because they are careless. They fail because nobody told them early. Your biggest financial advantage is not income. It is awareness. Real wealth is quiet. It doesn't show off. It doesn't panic. It doesn't chase approval. Financial success is not a luxury car. It is sleeping peacefully, saying no confidently, having choices when life changes. Money is not meant to impress others. It is meant to protect your future self. If nobody taught you this earlier, don't blame yourself. But now that you know, don't ignore it. Start small. Start honestly. Start today. Because money doesn't change people. It reveals them.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.